To randomly generate arrays of numbers, use Excel. Let's say we want to generate an array of decimal numbers having 3 rows and 4 columns. We can use the run array function in Excel. I'm going to click on this cell and do equals to run array, tab to select it. Now for the rows, we want 3 rows. I'm going to type there 3, and then comma. We want 4 columns. I'm going to type there 4, comma. The minimum value, let's say the minimum value is 10, and then comma. The maximum value, let's say the maximum value is 50, and then comma. For the last argument, the integer, you have 2 options. You can either select decimal numbers or integer numbers. So I'm going to select false or decimal. So tab to select false. I'm going to close my bracket. Now the run array function is one of the spelled array functions in Excel. That means when I hit enter, it's going to spell our results. So let's hit enter. You can see it has spelled for us the results across the rows and columns, creating for us a 3x4 array. What if we want an array of integer numbers? We can as well use the run array function. So I'm going to click on this cell and do equals to run array, tab to select it. For the rows, this time around we want 3 rows, so I'm going to type there 3, and then comma. We also want 3 columns, so I'm going to type there 3, and then comma. Let's go by the same minimum number, so I'm going to put there 10, and then comma. For the maximum number, let's also put 50, and then comma. Let's down arrow, and then we select true for integer. So I'm going to hit tab to select true or integer. Then I'm going to close my bracket. When I hit enter, you can see it has spelled for us a 3x3 array of random numbers. Now the run array function is also one of the volatile functions we have in Excel. That means when I hit F9, it will keep on recalculating. So let's try that. F9, it will recalculate. F9, you can see new set of random numbers being generated when I hit F9. If you don't want it to recalculate, you need to copy those numbers and paste it as values only. Let me show you the easiest and the simplest way to do that. I'm going to highlight my values like this. And then when I come to the edge of my highlighted values, my cursor changes to a move cursor. I'm going to hold down the right click, drag my values somewhere or anywhere within my worksheet. I'm going to drag it back to its place and then leave the right click. These options will pop up, and the third option here is saying copy here as values only. I'm going to click on that third option. When I hit the F9 key, you can see this down one is recalculating, but this upper one is not recalculating because these are now values only. So when I hit F9, F9, F9,